acrylic kind of plexiglass signs. They come really nicely packaged. As you can see, there is a little foam piece in the middle of each one. And then you also have these little pieces on the corner here that protect it. So you can see the corner here, there is kind of protective pieces. And then it looks quite fogged. However, it actually is not. It just has a protective piece you'll see right here, and it says remove. So you would just peel off each side. So I can go ahead and show you on this side. All you would do is peel off the corner here, and you would have, and then that's just one of the sides, and then you'd peel off the other, and then you'd be able to have a nice clean piece of plexiglass. And then you can also feel that it's not very sharp.